We have learned how to identify nouns in any sentence. Now we'll go a step further. We are going to do kinds of nouns. There are different kinds of nouns. And the first one we are going to do is we are going to do proper noun. How to identify, recognize in a sentence proper nouns. Okay? And that's what we are going to do now. Proper nouns. Now, what is a proper noun? Huh? A proper noun is the special name. It's a special name of a particular, a person, a place, animal or thing. I will give you proper noun to always begin with the capital letter. Now, you can have proper nouns for particular person, John, Peter, Mary, anything. You can have special name for a place, Chennai, India, Mumbai, Delhi, Assam. Special names those are. You can have special names for animals, Balu the bear. Giving a name for an animal, then it becomes special. You can have name that is given to anything. You can say Camlin. That's a company name for a coloring pen or pencil. So any of those, when you give special name to anything, we call that a proper noun. We do few sentences, exercises for us to understand further what's a proper noun. So a proper noun, remember, always begins with a capital letter. What is a proper noun? A noun that is special name of any particular person, place, or thing or animal. Okay, now, first sentence I have here is Johnny Lever is a well-known actor. Johnny Lever is a well-known actor. Now we are going to identify only proper nouns. Okay. Next one, Balu, the bear. Balu, the bear, lived in a jungle. Lived in the jungle. Jaipur. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. As the Pink. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. Camlin. Camlin pencils write well. Camlin pencil write well. Mary was a clever girl. Lion King loved Raja. Now, Just look at all the sentences I have written, and we are going to look at only the proper nouns. Proper nouns are name of special person, special place, special name of animals, things. Now, first sentence, Johnny Lever. That's a name, a special name of a person. Johnny Lever is a well-known actor. So, Johnny Lever is a proper noun, special name of a person, Johnny Lever. Balu, Balu the bear. Balu is the name of the bear, so that is another proper noun. Lived in the jungle. Jaipur. Jaipur is the name of a place again. They all begin with the capital letter. Here you have Camlin. Camlin Pencil, that's a company's name. Camlin, C capital, so that's the name of a pencil company. Mary. Mary is the name of a girl. And Lion King. Lion King and Raja. Lion King loved who? Raja. Now, look at, these are all proper nouns. John Lever, Balu, Jaipur, Camlin, Mary, Lion King, Raja. All these are proper nouns. We are continuing with the proper noun. Now I'll give you a whole lot of sentences. Pick out, recognize, circle the proper nouns in the sentences that I will put up here. Circle the proper nouns. Circle the proper nouns in these sentences. You're going to circle the proper nouns in the sentences that I'll give you. Okay, it's for more practice. First one we have here is the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Dinesh won the tennis match. Tennis match. Next, Solomon was a wise king. The Nile is the longest river. Rahul is an intelligent boy. Next, Meena is gone to Singapore. Now, we have a whole lot of sentences here, and we are going to circle only proper nouns. We are talking about proper noun, special name of a place or a person or animal, whatever. Now, special name of buildings also, we call it proper noun. And the all proper noun begins with a capital letter. That So it's very easy for you to identify. All proper nouns begins with capital letter. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Dinesh won the tennis match. Solomon was a wise king. The Nile is the longest river. Rahul is an intelligent boy. Meena is gone to Singapore. Recognizing capital letter is the capital letters will always begin with the proper noun, will begin with the capital letter. So it's very easy to identify. Special names begin with capital letter. Now, the first sentence we have, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. A, you see capital letter. T, Mahal, you see capital letter. So automatically you know this is a proper noun. Agra is a proper noun. So in the first sentence we have, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Very easy to identify proper nouns. Dinesh won tennis match. Now, Dinesh is the name of a person, begins with the capital letter, very easy to identify. Solomon was a wise king. Solomon, again, name of a person, it's a proper noun. The Nile is the longest river. The Nile begins with a capital letter. It is the name of a special river. There, it's a proper noun. Rahul is the name of a person, proper noun, begins with capital letter. Meena is gone to Singapore. Meena is the name of a lady or a girl, capital letter, proper noun. Singapore is the name of a special place. So again, it begins with a capital letter, so easy to identify. Now, what did we do here? We identified the proper noun. Proper nouns begins with a capital letter. So we have Taj Mahal, Dinesh, Solomon, the Nile, Rahul, Meena, Agra, and Singapore. They are all proper nouns, special names. Exercises help us to make ourselves perfect. So I'll do one more small exercise for you to identify proper nouns. Okay? Ram is ill today. Mr. Sam is my English teacher. Sita sings well. Peter loves to swim. We tried to call Geeta. We tried to call Geeta. Finally, he went to the nearby mosque. The temple was closed. Close to the Camlin shop. Now, I have few sentences here for you, and what we are going to do here is last exercise for proper nouns. Identify the proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with capital letter, okay? Ram is ill today. Ram. Very good. So, Ram is a proper noun. Mr. Sam is my English teacher. Now, Mr. Sam is the name of a teacher, and English. What teacher is he? He's an English teacher. So both are proper noun. Now, third one, Sita, name of a person, sings well. Peter loves to swim. So Peter, name of a person, loves to swim. We tried to call Geeta, name of a person, capital letter again. He went to the nearby mosque. Mosque is the place you pray. Again, that is also a proper noun. The temple was close to the Camlin shop. Camlin, that is the name of a company. Now, proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Ram, Sam, Sita, Peter, English teacher, Geeta, Moss, Camlin. So, we have learned today what is proper noun. Name of special person, place, names of things. So, and we know proper nouns always begin with capital letter. So we have learned to identify, circle, underline the proper nouns in sentences given to you. More practice will make you more perfect. Remember, proper nouns easy to identify because it begins with capital letter.